Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I like to explain this in the forex market, forex trading. We are doing buy, we are doing sell. What is the meaning? You should understand buy and sell meaning. So I am in XAU USD chart to explain this, the forex pair. We buy, we sell. What is the meaning? So we are buying, selling XAU USD, GBP USD, Euro USD, CHF JPY. That's the most of pairs in the forex market. We are buy or we are sell. So we are using pair to buy or sell in the forex market. So pair include two currencies. One currency or one commodity can be included. There are two currencies included in this pair to we are buy or sell. So I like to explain this. Get the most popular pair is the gold XAU USD. So XAU USD is the currency, that's the US dollar. So XAU is the gold. Gold is not a currency, gold is commodity. So USD is the left side, it is in currency side. We mention this is the quiet currency is in left side. So base currency is the right side. XAU base commodity gold is the left side. So we are buy gold. That's the meaning of US dollar. Gold demand again US dollar. We buy XAU USD. That's the meaning. That's the meaning of gold demand against US dollar. Otherwise US dollar getting weakness. So we are sell XAU USD. That's the meaning of dollar getting demand against gold. Otherwise gold sell off against dollar. So dollar getting demand, that's the meaning of we are sell gold. So that's the buy sell of XAU USD pair. So you should know, if you are trading forex market, you should know what we buy, what we sell, what is the meaning we buy and sell in this pair or other pair. So I would like to explain this to get the other example. Another example is the famous pair Euro USD. So Euro USD has two currencies, US dollar and the Euro. US dollar is the left side, is the quiet currency, and Euro is the right side. Euro is the base currency. So Euro USD buy, that's the meaning of Euro getting demand against US dollar. That's the buy mean. Euro USD we are sell, that's the meaning of Euro getting sell off against US dollar, or otherwise US dollar getting demand against Euro. That's the mean Euro USD sell. So that is the example. Euro USD we buy, we sell. Most of traders buy sell in Euro USD. So you should know this.